welcome to One Planet Forth Valley's upcycling workshops. Today we're going to take a look at how we can turn a photo frame into an interesting jewellery holder and accessory stand, so come on, let's go inside and make a start. Okay, to make this jewellery and accessories holder there's not much you need. To start with, you need your old picture frame, some wire mesh, pliers, wire cutters, and a staple gun. Now if you don't have a staple gun, don't worry, because you can always use netting staples as these, which you can get in any hardware store. They're just little hooks. We can use those instead. But for today we'll be using the staple gun. So let's pop those to one side. So the first thing you need to do is to take your picture frame, turn it over, and just remove the backing board, discard that, and the glass, because you won't be needing either of these. Now don't worry if any of these little clips break off, because we won't be using them, so they're actually quite useful. If you want to break them off, they come off very simply by just squeezing them in and out a couple of times. So we'll pop those bits to one side. That's all the wire tags taken off. And once you've done that, so bring your picture frame in and put it over the wire mesh to measure how much of the mesh you'll need. Then simply using your wire cutters, clip around that, making sure that you've got enough to cover inside both of these two sections here, because it needs something to clip onto. So simply take your wire mesh and push it firmly in to the photo frame from the back. Take your staple gun and put a couple of staples in either side to 45-degree angle. Okay. The next point we need to do is going back onto the back, is to attach the picture hooks. Now to attach the picture hooks, I'm going to use this bradawl tool just to make a couple of starter holes at the top here, making sure we've got them aligned on each side. Right. Then take these little hooks and screw them firmly in there. One there. One on this side here. So to hang from the picture hook, we're going to use this picture hook wire. So take a length of that, measure it roughly between the two pegs. Then using your wire cutters, just simply snip that off. Thread it through the first one, twisting it firmly round. Then making sure you've got a good hanging height there through the second. And again, twist it around the hook there. Don't want this falling off the wall. And then you can cut off any excess with your wire cutters. There we are. We're ready to go. So to hang your items on there, simply get your earrings. You can just hang on as they come like that. But let's get this on the wall and take a proper look at it. Well, thank you for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed that video. Have a go at making your own jewellery holder and send us a photo or put a picture in the comments below. Thanks. Goodbye.